Starksville.
Alright, fellas, what up? What up to all the new subscribers? Here we go. We got some Overgrown today. Some old Citation City mess right here. I'm gonna knock it down because it's gonna be profitable. But let's check out some stuff. Got all that stuff in the ground. So I can't put the zero turn nowhere near that. You see that? Big brick. Yeah. So see how it looks back here. And from the last cut, man, when I came here, it didn't grow from back here. All this, see all this. This one I came, and I hadn't been here in about a month. And see, none of this, it even came up. I guess I did a pretty good job weed eating. That's RedMax, baby. RedMax knocking it down. So, gonna get in here, man. We'll get y'all some footage of me knocking down this crazy mess right here. Let's go. see how it look. All that trimming. Let me show you why. You can't put that mower down. You gotta just pay attention to this ground. Brick, rocks, some more stuff. Brick. Look at that. Tell your mower up, man. Be a fool to put the mower on this. What you guys just pay attention to this. Hold on. See, right here was an old house that used to sit here. So this is guy's old house that got knocked down. He still owns the property. You can see it looks crazy all through here. You wouldn't dare, you bet not dare put a mower down on here. Yeah. If I could, I would. But I can't, so I ain't. So, got that thing cleaned up, man. Yeah, so look, let me show you some more over here. All this stuff on the ground, man. Looks a mess. So you put your mower over this stuff, man. Yeah. Yeah. Yard cleanup, what would you guys charge on this? Because this looks a mess. Leave your comments, man. I'm out of here, man. Boneyard Lawn Service, man. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up. I'm out of here, man. Have a